Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by Mr. OW. So stay tuned. It's coming right up. What's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to take a look at an awesome watch face by OW. And I'm telling you, OW put his foot in this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Daytime. And we're going to tell you why Daytime is a nice name for this watch face in a bit. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice time, you're going to get a nice look, and you'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. But let's talk about this watch face when it's on. First of all, I love the combination of colors on this watch face. I do like the look of the index as well, and the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Also, you get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Now, if you look at the little meter up at the top, that gives you information on your step goal completed. Also, down at the bottom, right there, you're going to get info on your battery percentage. Now, I'm liking the look. Now, look over to the right, you're going to get your month, your day, and your date, which is cool, a traditional look. But let's talk about what really makes this watch face awesome, right? First of all, this here changes according to the day, to the time of day it is. You're gonna have a color for early morning, you're gonna have a color for sunrise, you're gonna have a color for sunset, you're going to have a color for midday and midnight. Now, I thought this was awesome and very different from a creator such as OW. OW, 2 thumbs up on this one, my friend. Keep doing what you're doing. I love this watch face. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Remember, I told you this watch face was affordable in the Gear Manager store, so go and check it out. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't leave without hitting the like button, and I will see you all at the next morning. I will see you all at the next video. Continue to keep grinding and keep grinding hard.